Hello everyone. In this video today I'm going to show you how to create a blog on WordPress, all of it for free. So the first step that you do is you visit the website wordpress.com. Make sure you don't go to wordpress.org. WordPress.org is used for the people that want to create a blog by downloading the whole WordPress software and installing it on a server. So this is not what we want to do today. So we want to create a blog directly on WordPress and let WordPress handle all of the hosting for us. So on the website, as soon as you reach there, you just click on the Get Started Here button, and you will see the small little form that you have to fill up where you put in your WordPress blog name, a username, password, and email. So as I mentioned in my article on the website, myecommercetips.com, on how to create a blog, you would be here on this page upon deciding what is going to be the name of your blog. So let's say, for example, I'm into worms. I'm a fisherman and I know everything there is that I need to know about worms, and I decided to create a worms website. So let's say, for example, I take this chance and I say, you know what, I want to call it worms.wordpress.com. When you put it in, you'll notice that obviously it's taken. I mean, this is going to be a very big challenge for you to come up with a name here that is not already taken by WordPress, other users on WordPress. So let's say, for example, I want to make creative where I say worms for you. Oh, and it's available. So let's say, for example, I chose to use that domain name, and you'll notice here, for example, that you can click on use it for, you can buy wormsforyou.com, but it's $17 a year. We don't want that for this purpose of this video. So we're saying no thank you, we want everything for free. That's what we love. So I chose the domain name wormsforyou.wordpress.com. A username, you can put it the same thing, you don't have to change it. You put in a password, you put in your email. I created a temporary email for this, WordPress blog at myecommercetips.com. There you go. I can check mark this option here, and you can get some information from WordPress about the latest updates, features, themes if you want. If you don't have time for that, you can just unsubscribe. If you have time to also read their fascinating terms, if not, you click on the sign up button. So here we go. They're telling me now to check my email to complete the registration. I'm going to go back here to my email account. You'll notice that I already received it. So now they say, please click the link to activate your blog. So just click that, and you will be brought up to the back end of your WordPress, so the administration console. And there we go. It's all done. So let's just close this window for now. So everything has been confirmed. Everything is good. You can update your profile if you want. If not, you can just leave it as is. So everything has been set up. So let's go for wormsforyou.wordpress.com. Oops. What was the name again? So worms for you, sorry. So wormsforyou.wordpress.com. Always use a domain name that you can remember. That's the first step, which I mentioned in my article. So as you can see here, they launched the website with the default template for the blog, and it's very straightforward. So we're going to log into the back end system of the WordPress blog so that we can change some colors, change the title, change the tagline. So just open up another window, paste your domain name, and add wp-admin. And what that does, you simply go to the back end of the blog. What I mean by back end is it's a section on the website that only administrators or owners of the blog are able to access. You would need a password, a username and password in order for you to log in. And from here, you're able to control everything that you need about the blog. So this is where you're going to be posting your articles, upload pictures, create pages, monitor your comments, feedback, create polls, install new extensions, plugins. So right now I'm going to show you how to change, for example, the title of your blog. So you click on settings, and I want to change the name of my blog from Worms for You. I'm going to call it to Worms for the World, and I'm going to change the tagline, I know everything about worms. You can also upload a picture icon if you want here, and then you simply click on Save Changes. There we go. If you go back to the blog, you see the previous name was Worms for you. You refresh, and now it says Worm for the World. Now let's say, for example, you want to change the colors, the theme. So what you would do is click on Appearance. You click on Themes. And here you will have a list of other themes that are available. Some of them you have to pay, some of them are free, most of them are free. You'll notice some one here, like for example the Delicious Magazine one is for $45, but for now we love only free stuff. So let's say for example Rusty Grunge is something I like and I want to see the layout. I click on the image itself, I'm able to see a preview of how my blog is going to look like. And I say, you know what, I like this, I want to use this. So you close this preview and you say Activate. Upon activating that template, it will enable it on your blog. So you'll notice here if I go back to the front end of my blog and I see the home page and I refresh, there you go. Everything has been already updated. So as you can see, it's very, very easy to change the themes. And you can play around a little bit more. You can search also certain themes, colors, whatever you feel like. You can go from the most popular, the recently added, so on and so forth. So let's do this again. Let's say for example I like this one here, Coraline. I like it. You know what, that's good, it looks very wormy for me. So let's activate it. There we go, and I refresh. That's it. I hope this tutorial was very easy to follow and you enjoyed creating your first blog. Thank you.